Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today we're doing something I just love, a calm, careful unboxing with a little Martha meets Midwest practicality. And this one is really special because I'm not keeping it, so I have to be really careful while I'm unboxing it. I bought this SENSARTE ceramic non-stick cookware set as a Christmas gift from our young adult daughter for her very first apartment. So I'm unboxing it gently, admiring everything, and then I'm going to tuck it right back into the box, which is going to be a little tricky, so it's ready for pretty gift wrapping. So I'm going to first share my first impressions, and the color is taupe, soft, warm, and neutral in that elevated way that doesn't fight with anyone's kitchen. It feels grown up without being fussy, and the set is listed as a 20-piece cookware set. 20 pieces! Which is honestly a big reason I grabbed it for a first-time apartment, right? You know, when you're first starting out, you don't want to buy one pan at a time and realize you still can't make half your meals. You want a set that covers your basics: eggs, pasta, sauces, sautéing, soups, and yes, even the I'm going to try crepes out because I saw it on TikTok phase. Crepes are really awesome. And this has a crepe pan, you'll see. All right, so let's walk through what's included because this is where it gets exciting. You get an 8-inch frying pan, an 11-inch frying pan, and a 10-inch crepe pan. And I have to say, having a crepe pan in a starter set feels a little luxurious, but that's okay. We like to spoil her. But it's also practical. Crepes, pancakes, tortillas, grilled sandwiches. Oh, that's awesome. It's that nice wide flat surface that makes everyday cooking easier. Then you've got a 1.5 quart saucepan with a lid and a 2.5 quart saucepan with a lid, a 4.5 quart sauté pan with a lid, and a 4.5 quart stock pot with a lid. Such a great assortment. These are the pieces that really let a young adult cook like an adult. A saucepan for oatmeal or rice, a bigger saucepan for pasta sauce or soup, a sauté pan for one-pan meals, and a stock pot for chili, pasta nights, or batch cooking. Because I promise you, batch cooking becomes very appealing when you're working, studying, and trying to keep your life together. It also comes with 3 utensils and 6 pan protectors. And I just want to pause on the pan protectors for a second because that's one of those thoughtful extras that tells me the brand understands real kitchens. In a first apartment, storage is usually pretty tight. Pans get stacked. Protectors help keep the finish looking nice and prevent scratches, especially if you're not ready to baby your cookware. This set is induction compatible and suitable for all stovetops: gas, electric, ceramic, glass, and induction. That's fantastic for a gift because you don't always know what kind of stove your daughter will have now or in the next apartment. Induction compatibility gives you flexibility. The construction is reinforced cast aluminum, and they say it heats quickly and evenly and is designed for long-term durability. Again, for a starter set, that's what you want. Something that feels sturdy, not flimsy, and not so precious that you're afraid to use it. Now the lids, these are silicone sealed flat glass lids. I love a glass lid because you can keep an eye on what's happening without lifting the lid and losing all the heat and moisture. The silicone seal is meant to create a tight seal to lock in moisture and flavor, and also help protect against chipping or knocking. And they mention no noise, which is kind of charming because we've all had those clanky lids, that sound like a marching band in the kitchen. So cleaning, it's listed as dishwasher safe, and they note that hand washing is gentler to preserve the finish, of course, over time. That's exactly how I would say to do it, but Dishwasher Safe is very convenient and really more practical, especially for a young adult who's learning the rhythm of cooking and cleaning. But if you want something to look beautiful longer, a quick hand wash is usually the kinder option. I also noticed that they mentioned the coated bottom won't leave black stains or residue, which is something people complain about with certain cookware, so that's reassuring. Handles, well, they're designed to stay cool on the stovetop, comfortable grip, and they have that sleek, elegant look. And this set is oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. But with an important note, remove the handle before placing it in the oven. So you could always put foil over it and just take the cover and put it on the side. So if you're doing something like finishing a dish in the oven off, just remember that step. I actually like that they're clear about it because clear instructions prevent, kitchen mishaps. Now, since I'm gifting this, I'm looking at it through a first apartment lens. Here's what I love about giving cookware as a Christmas gift. It's practical, yes, but it's also a little emotional. It's saying, I believe in you. I want you to be nourished. I want you to have what you need to build your life. And a set like this, where it truly covers everything from everyday breakfasts to bigger pots of soups, feels like a real foundation. So my overall first impression, this is a generous, thoughtfully designed cookware set with a beautiful neutral color, a strong piece selection, and features that make it beginner-friendly, non-stick, even heating, and easy cleanup. For a young adult's first apartment, or even first-time married couples, or, first-time homeowners, this is just a universally beautiful set. So it's a kind gift or gift to yourself that gets used constantly, not shoved in a closet. So many gorgeous pieces. I was very delighted opening this box up. All right, so I'm going to start placing everything back into the box here carefully because this one is headed straight for the Christmas wrapping table. And now a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.